a very special guest with us. In fact, we have two gentlemen with us, Mr. Rizwan and Adil Sajan, who are from the Danube Properties. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. And many, many congratulations. The tower which we saw in your presentation was beautiful. So let's address the Shah Rukh in our story. What's your strategy and what's the inspiration of bringing him along?
The story which I have already told you. But
Sir, can you please have a
today
mic?
we have made a iconic reveal in not only in Dubai but the whole world, having a tower in the name of celebrity, and that also Shah Rukh Khan, who is a legend. That is itself is an address. Like I was mentioning, there are so many commercial towers across in around that area. But when you say I'm staying in a very branded commercial tower, when I have to say that I'm staying in Emirates Tower, or I'm staying, my office is in Dubai International Financial Center Tower, or any other brand where you are having a tower, this is going to be that address on the Sheikh Zayed Road with whatever amenities which you have seen. It's a high class amenity. So trust me, anybody investing in this tower, I'm not going any sales talk. This is an iconic tower which you will be investing in it, and you're going to make a lot of money in this.
Well, Adil, a question for you. The tower is coming up. Can you tell us more about the tower? When will it finish? What is your vision of the tower as well? Any investments, any revenue you might add to that?
You know, when we were designing this tower, the concept was simple. We wanted to make a grade A tower, and we want to make one of the best commercial towers, not only in Dubai, but around the world. We must have studied around 100 different brochures of commercial towers. And trust me when I say this, when you see through the renders, the way the tower has come out and the kind of amenities that we're offering, I don't think I've seen any other commercial tower like that. Just to give you some example, you know, it's a hanging tower concept. In the center of the building on the 33rd floor, we have a beautiful infinity sky pool. We have a very premium gym. We have a King's clubhouse. On the top floor, on the 55th floor, you have an outdoor amenity overlooking the Palm Jumeirah. At the bottom, you have a tranquility garden. So it's a lot of thought, a lot of heart has gone into this. So anyone, you know, being a tenant of the Shah Rukh's tower, they are really, really going to be enjoying, you know, a beautiful work-life harmony.
When the completion will take place?
The completion, we're targeting about Q2 2029. So less than 4 years. We always commit 4 years, but you know, one track record about Danube is all our projects, we deliver not only on time, but actually 6 months before schedule. So maybe this might be done even before that.
Well, this is such a beautiful tower. Indian audience is also going crazy that will they see Danube Properties coming to India?
I would love to come to start something in India, but right now we are so busy in Dubai, you have no idea, because people from all over the world are coming to Dubai and investing in Dubai. बट ट्रस्ट मेरे दिमाग में है, मैं ज़रूर इंशाल्लाह अगर चाहा अल्लाह ने तो मैं यहाँ पे भी कुछ करूँगा. बट एज सुन एज दुबई मार्केट थोड़ा ठंडा होगा, मुझे लगता नहीं ठंडा होगा अभी, ये तो चलने वाला है. बिकॉज यू नो एज ए कंपनी यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन व्हाट यू आर डूइंग एंड यू नीड टू डू द बेस्ट. इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर मी टू इधर जाओ उधर जाओ, यहाँ पे भी टावर लगाओ, ये सिटी में जाओ वो सिटी में जाओ. काफ़ी जगह से मुझे ऑफर भी आ रही है कि रिजवान आपने जो मॉडल वहाँ पे बनाया दुबई में अंदर वही रिप्लिकेट करके हमको दो. दिमाग में है, जैसा अल्लाह की मर्जी.
Well, that's the brilliant thing you just say. We are waiting for you guys to come in India and release the press conference, and we will be 100% be here to cover that. Thank you so much, sir. We have a time constraint, but we'll catch up with you very soon. Thank you.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.